There we are. Time's up. What did you think of the quiz?
That's good.
Yeah, liked it? Okay. Like I said, I'm not collecting these. I am not grading these. This is for your benefit. But let's review these questions. So I may be calling on various tables to give me some answers. All right?
No.
All right. So number 1, explain how Revelation 1:1 supports the theme that the book of Revelation is about covenant. And I'm glad to see that many of you opened your Bibles and got to Revelation 1:1, which says, the revelation of Jesus Christ, which God gave him to show to his servants, which must soon take place. And he made it known by sending his angel to his servant John. How is that related to covenant? And I said, hint, think of marriage imagery. Rebecca.
Revelation comes from the Greek word apocalypse, which means to unveil, and you wear veils at weddings, and that's a big part of the Old Testament. So it's showing the symbolism of a marriage.
Yes, very good. That's what I wanted you to get. Remember, when you see the word covenant, you think of marriage. Okay? And what is a marriage? It is the union of two persons. It is the uniting of two households. It is the extension of one's family. Okay? So in salvation history, God expands his family through covenants that he has made down through time, beginning with Adam and ending with Jesus. First Adam, the last Adam. Okay? How many covenants have there been?
7.
6.
Oh.
6 covenants. Adam, Noah, Abraham, Moses, David, Jesus, the new covenant. Yes. You're also kind of right if you think 7, because there technically was a 7th covenant, but God made that specifically with a priest in the Old Testament named Phineas. But that was a personal covenant. It wasn't a global covenant. All the ones that I mentioned are global in effect. They affect all humanity. Okay? So technically you could say 7. But there were really 6 global covenants God made with humanity. Does that make sense? Okay. So, very good. The word apocalypsis means unveiling. What else could you have added to that? Does anyone else have anything to add to that they want to share?
Revelation removes the veil from God's plans for the future.
Yes.
Drawing back the curtain that hides Christ's glory, kingship, control over history.
Very good.